How's it going, Kickstarter backers? I am out here in the Philippines where we are producing the Luma Collection. And while I'm here, I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a behind the scenes look at how our products are made and what goes into it to go from raw materials all the way through to the finished goods on these products. So over in this part of the warehouse, they have a raw material store and a cutting department. So over there is all the raw materials stacked up on those shelves. And if you look over here, this is the cutting department. And each of these machines has a press that presses a cutting mold down into the material to cut all the materials into the perfect right shape. Here you can see some materials that have been cut and prepped and are ready to be sewn. And down this production line, all these materials get sewn together to create the finished bag. This process, you can start to see the side panels and the back panels being put together. You can start to see the bag starting to take shape. There's the bag inside out. So as they manufacture these bags, they actually manufacture them inside out. And then when they're completed, they flip them right side out when they're done. All right, so I'm here with Francis. He's doing actually one of the more difficult parts of this whole production process. He's taking the front part of the bag and the back part of the bag and stitching them together. It's really difficult because you have to make sure it's perfectly lined up and everything's sewn together well so the bag isn't askew or like lopsided. And he's doing a really impressive job. It's incredible watching how fast he can do this. Here's a table of bags that have been finished, and they're doing some QC checks to make sure they pass all the tests. Up here we have our QC checklist that our teams have designed to say we don't want any of this puckering or these indents. All these little details have to be followed to ensure that the product is up to the quality standards that Nomatic has for all of our products. Pretty fun to see a whole table full of these bags coming off the production line for the first time. Today is actually the first day that these bags are coming off the line, so it's fun to watch it all come together.